So guys, welcome to the court. Like everybody probably know, we stay in a coronavirus time. The court is closed like all the other HoReCa business. And I decided to make one cocktail for every day. Today we starting with a great cocktail. It's one of the best seller in the court. And it's the Whistle. Really simple, easy to make it. Everybody, I think, can find easily the ingredients. We need the lime, we need a good gin, Tanqueray is perfect, coconut syrup, and the mango chutney. Ice with 1 lime is almost 3/4 of ounce. Half ounce of coconut syrup is all around 15 milliliter. 1.5 of Tanqueray Gin, and is around 45 milliliter. 1 bar spoon of mango chutney, a plain bar spoon. A little bit of stir, mix a little bit, try to dissolve most as possible the syrup and the mango chutney, and I will shake it. Ready? Use a chilled glass. Straight. If you want to, you can garnish with a piece of lime. Hague. Salute, and enjoy your quarantine in style.